Hi everybody and welcome back. My name is Tristan. I want to show you really quickly how you can start using ChatGPT-4o without having to be connected to the playground. So like how to use it in other situations, other locations, and how to start incorporating it into some of your stuff right away without having to wait for it to become available to like the normal ChatGPT stuff. So to do this, we're going to be using a tool called Harpa. This is a Chrome browser plugin. It is really good. It has all kinds of really cool features and you can do all kinds of neat stuff. But that's how we're going to be able to access the new model via the API. So first thing we need to do is we're going to go to platform.openai.com. We're going to go to where it says API keys. We're going to create a new key if you don't have one already. I certainly do. And then once you have that key, we're going to open up Harpa. We're going to click down here. This is always going to say something different. Sometimes it'll say GPT-3, whatever. That's just whatever your model is. And then if you scroll down, you'll see you have API connections. And then you can enter your API key, that which is created right here. And then for the chat model, just change it to GPT-4o. And then click on that to make sure that it's saved. And if you want to set that to your default, then just make sure you click that button right there and it will turn into your default connection. And then after that, we can go ahead and start using it. So let's say, hello, my name's Tristan. And what I like about this is just how fast it is. It's like it feels like GPT 3.5 as far as speed goes, but then you actually get a lot better results out of it. So if you are looking for a way to use ChatGPT-4o in your work and you don't want to wait for it to go to somewhere else or find some other connection or anything like that, then this is probably going to be the easiest way to do it. So hopefully this video has been helpful.